them there say my auntie in customer can make my auntie customer.
No, she got attack her official. I must Emily them official. Now my official I say she start cuss the woman and start for me. I saw the argument go, but she come over here and tell lie. I saw you go Kiki, me I tell her we dep on the live yesterday.
I mean I say no, but I just 2-3 days now me I talk to her like her vibe.
You
So
say
you
we
say
no
no,
a
you say no
dog.
long, you say no long time years, so you know what you are, you
You
know.
say ask anybody ears me know her. Ears a long time me know her. A dog that, a shit that, you don't know tree.
Lord Jesus.
Me I tell her she dep on the live yesterday and say auntie no look good and me say
But
don't say that.
you can't look even for disrespect me, you understand?
I go fix her in the problem. I shit that when them a cuss and I bring down her a midi there.
The old man take
And
long
she
to
come.
blood anyway.
And I say when she come on the live, one day she come on live, she gonna show Emily live and me take her for me say no see nobody live. For one next phone and show the like one laptop me mean. And me take her for. No, me I tell Kiki that she mix up the two. The people when I comment I say she mix up the. You mix up man.
What you want to say?
Then you feel know what you're right. You never say that. Listen what you're right and I need to comment official.
When I say it don't look at the back, I don't know.
You never said that. You said the woman don't. Listen, you never said that official.
Whatever me say, I never was talking about none of them. I'm gonna say the things that don't look good.
You should have
But
thought
that
that
is not
official.
look good.
You should have thought that say. You should have thought it and then if and they are cussing and going, you should have thought. I know that you mean. You understand, Kiki? You should have thought say on the life.
Whatever. I need to say anything to offend nobody. Where I said he's not supposed to say offend nobody.
You was cussing, you should have said, Anna, you should have come underneath the live and say, Destiny and Auntie, I never mean that to say. You understand? I never mean that. That you should have said. Your name did for say, the woman no look good. You should have said, I don't mean that. Right is right.
Big up yourself, Stephanie. I need some blood clot, blood clot, then I lick funny. Doing the blood clot, like I subscribe, share people, share the blood clot.
You understand, official, you should have comment and say, Destiny and Auntie, me never did mean to say that. You never did comment and say that. We was looking for them. So don't change the topic.
5, 6, go sit down. Go sit down.
Move your blood clot and you go stand with the water, shake your body. Right now your water, right now this time go flood out you. You can't tell me go sit down. No, you shoot me attack. No, you shoot me attack. Me talking the truth, so you should have comment underneath the live. Kiki, you comment past somebody live, right? And you say something. You say, and somebody a cuss. You should have said under the first live. You should have, no, Kiki, no, you should have comment underneath the first live and say, Destiny and Auntie, I never saw me mean to say. I never saw me mean to spell it wrong. Something. You understand? You know if you underneath the live of course, that means they mean to say, Auntie she attack. She comment, she says it's not you, Destiny, and Auntie me attack. That means say Auntie she accuse with you. So stop by then and you add people in the internet that talk out that stuff it and come back in. I'd bury.